Hello there, my name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. I know it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt again, but I promise I am. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing the Kimchi Chic Mango Tango palette. This palette retails for $14 and it comes with 9 all matte, beautiful, vibrant shades. In my previous video, I reviewed the Kimchi Chic melted chocolate melted palette, as well as the concealer and the Puff Puff Pass powder. I will link that video in the description box down below. But in today's video, we're just reviewing the Mango Tango palette. So if you like Kimchi Chic, if you like RuPaul's Drag Race, if you love makeup, and if you'd like to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. And before we get into this, I will go ahead and do swatches of all the shades on my arm here for you. Here are all 9 of these shades from the Mango Tango palette swatched. Alright, so with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this look. Alrighty, so as you can tell, I have no makeup on my face right now, except for I did put eyeshadow primer on my eyelids. I used my P. Louise eyeshadow primer base in the shade Rumor 01. I don't have any foundation on right now because I don't know how pigmented these eyeshadows are. I don't know if there's going to be any fallout with them, so it's just best if I do my foundation last. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is the shade Cotton Candy, this really pretty light purple lavender color, on my Morphe M535 brush, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. And I'm basically just using this as a transition shade. The next shade I'm going to take is the shade Strawberry, this really pretty pink color, on a Morphe M433 brush, and place this in my crease as well, just right below where I took the shade Cotton Candy. Oh my god! I am already living for this pink color. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to take a hint of the shade Grape Jelly on a Laura Lee Los Angeles L19 brush and put this on my outer corner. Now I'm taking my Kimchi Chic The Most Concealer and carving out the crease with my Laura Lee Los Angeles L17 brush. And I'm just taking the concealer on the back of my hand here, dipping my brush into it and carving it out. Now I'm taking my Morphe M508 brush, going into the shade Strawberry and just softening the crease a little bit. And so far, I have had little to no fallout with any of the shades. There's a little fallout in the pan, there's no fallout on my eye, and it's looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera, come back, and we'll get into the lower lash line. Okay, so I went ahead and finished my face off of camera. I also added a little bit of glitter eyeliner in the cut crease. The glitter eyeliner that I used is the NYX Glitter Goals in the shade Crystal Ball, and I just added this right in between where I put the cut crease and where the eyeshadow is. Now for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the shade Sky Blue on a Morphe M506 brush and just put this all along my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a little bit of the shade Hibiscus on my MAC 213 brush and putting this in the very outer corner. Now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Waterproof Cream Color in the shade Jet with my Laura Lee Los Angeles L20 brush and just aligning the lids. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes off camera, come back and show you guys the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. I love the way everything turned out. It looks so good. I'm so happy with this palette. Altogether, all the colors in this palette blended out very well. They layered on top of each other very nicely, and I will definitely be using this again.
Love what you're doing.
So this look was actually pretty easy to create and didn't take as much time as I thought it would. So that is a plus, plus, plus. Comment down below if you'd like to see me create more looks with this palette, because I could definitely create like a cool sunset sort of vibe look with this palette. That is it for today's video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I used on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!